Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make name label stickers in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up Canva on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in the keyword sticker. Canva offers a vast array of sticker templates, so by searching sticker, you'll access all these creative options. Take a moment to browse through them. As you explore the template options, focus on finding a sticker design that includes text. This is crucial because you'll want to customize that text for your name labels. Click on the one that catches your eye and looks suitable for your needs. Once you've found a template you like, click Customize this template. This will open up the design window where you can start personalizing your chosen sticker. You'll now see the design layout, including the text area, ready for customization. Click on the text box and type in the name or label you want to create. You can easily change the font size, color, and style to match your desired look. Once you've finished customizing everything to your liking, don't forget to save your design. You can download it in various formats, such as PDF or PNG, depending on your printing needs. After downloading, print out your labels, cut them, and apply them wherever you like. And there you have it, your very own customized name label stickers. And that's it. So that is how you can make name label stickers in Canva. So that's all for this video. Thanks.